Hello everyone, my name is Vladimir. I'm a trader of LMI company and also I teach traders to trade accurately with a minimal risk. I was asked to make some comments on last week's tournament. I can say that it was a really tough week because we have almost on all instruments quite strong trend and it's not easy to find really nice entry points. Now we can see traders trading from the last week tournament, and from about 63 participants, only 15 ended this tournament in profit. It's not a very nice result, but the week was really tough and it's tournament, so you have to take more risk than usual. So let's check some trades of our traders. The first place was taken by MK Shekhali and he made $4,000 in these 5 days. And I can say that it's really nice result because it was made only by 7 trades. Actually, if we look closely to the trades of this trader, we can see that the highest profit was made on Nasdaq, and it was made actually by 1 trade. And the rest trades I think were made just to fulfill all the rules of this tournament because you have to trade every day. So this trader chose quite precisely every entry point, and almost all profit from this account was made just by 1 trade. So I can't say it was the best trade I saw, because if you trade using volumes and you really understand support and resistance levels, so you can make trades much more precisely, and I will show you later how it's possible to do. Looking at this trade, I can say it was made, I believe it was made using indicators, because if you are using volumes and you use levels of support and resistance, you can make trade much more precisely, so you can make your risk much less. I think this trade was also done from some kind of resistance, but I can't say it is quite nice level to find entry point, because there are always risks that price can go higher when you trade from this kind of levels. So I think this trader was lucky enough to win this tournament, because actually he made all his profit just with 1 trade. And I think he was relaxed because all others are quite far from him. We can see the next participant on a second place. He made $2,000, almost $2,000. It was done by 7 trades. And let's check the trades of this trader. I think this trader trades with quite huge risk, because we can see that price went down quite strongly against this trade. So actually I will never allow this kind of risk, but it was done with mini contracts. I don't know what this trader expects from this trade, but I can say that in this trade risk is quite high. What we can see that this trader also done all his profit only with 1 trade, and I think the rest of trades were just to fulfill the rules of this tournament. I think it's nice strategy, but if you are on a second place, you have to take more risk and do more trades if you really want to win this tournament. I can say that using volumes and levels you can do much better, and it's really possible. But anyway, trade was done quite nicely, and we see that this trader traded only 1 contract and took a quite good profit. It's like more than 200 ticks per contract, and it means $2,000 per contract. So I can say this trade is quite nice. And also this trader made 1 more trade a bit lately, and it was also short. What can I say about this trade? You can't trade against a trend, because trend is your friend. Yeah, and if previous trade was done downwards trend, this trade is done against upward trend. it means the probability of success in this trade is very low. And I suggest never risk in such trades. And actually, when we see such picture, in most cases, it means the price will break the level of resistance. And we can see clearly the price has broken that level, and only after it went down. So if you see that price may go down in such situation, just wait for a false breakout. Actually, this is a false breakout, and you can open a short trade after this false breakout happened. We can see one more trade done by the same trader, Cannavalo Arcade, and I don't think it's appropriate to buy on the tops. I think it's appropriate to buy at the bottoms. So the price always gives us retracements, and you can use these retracements to open a trade. Why I do not like this type of trades? Because you never know how much price can go higher, and you do not know when the retracement will start. So anyway, she made some profit here. She has really good luck in this trade. But when you make such trades on a distance, I don't think you can make money like in a long term. The third place was taken by Otto. And let's see trades done by this trader. We can see on mini S&P, he earned about $600. And I can say that this trader is really patient, and he waits appropriate situation, and he opens trade nice places from good levels. But I think this trader lacks of understanding how much he can take from every trade. If you open a trade, you can't expect that you will take whatever you want. You have to follow market, and you have to see what market can give you. So if your expectations are higher than the current market situation, you will not take any profit. And that we can clearly see in this trade. Actually, trader can take quite nice profit in this trade. I think more than $1,000, but he finished with almost zero profit in it. And there were also a risk that he can got a stop loss in this trade. Actually, I do not understand where this trader placed his stop loss, because usually we place stop loss behind some levels, and I can see one level here, but it's clear for us that his stop loss was a bit higher. No stop loss here. So the next level that I can see was at 33.78. If he trades with such huge stop loss, I think this trade is not quite appropriate. But the next trade is much better. I also do not understand in this trade his risks, because usually we place our stop losses behind some levels, and I can see clearly that the first level is 33.73. The first level is here, and the second level is quite far away, so I don't believe he traded with such a huge risk. But maybe he expect this false breakout, so it means this trader really understand the market, and we can ask him if it was really so. Also, I can say that take profit you can take a bit lower, because when price is not bouncing from the level, and you can see that price is staying at the same level for a long time, usually it means that price will go down further, and you can take profit on the next level, which is like I think about 33.60 or 33.59. I also want to put your attention on amount of trades done by our 3 traders that took first 3 places, and you can clearly see that mostly traders doing just a few trades per day. They do not overtrade, they do not make like hundreds trades per day, and it's not necessary to make a lot of trades to make a really good money. I want to show you another tournament what happened the same time previous week, and it was organized by me and also by LMI company, and we can say that we have much more profitable traders here, and we can see that the first place was taken by a trader who made just one trade, and it was really perfect trade. I can say it was done really professionally, because the trader knows where to open trade and he knows precisely where to close this trade, because all the movement up was taken by only one trade. And here we have some more trades from the same trader done on S&P. I can say that this trader has some issues with risk management, because I do not understand if he really trades with stop loss, because if you open a short trade here, you have to close it, I think, right at this point, because it's quite clear that price will go higher. And this trade gave him almost 1,000 loss. And the biggest profit in his trade is about $500. So this trader trades with low risk reward ratio, and actually you can earn money only if you have really good risk reward ratio. For example, I am opening a trade with risk reward 1 to 3. It means for $1 loss I will take $3 profit, at least $3 profit. Otherwise I will not have any advantage on the market. So if I really want to make some money, I have to make more profit trades than losses, and I have to make a really good risk reward ratio. For $1 risk you can take $3 and more of profit. Otherwise it will be really difficult to make money on the market. And the last trade, same trader with not clear stop loss. Trade is not bad. He took quite good profit in this trade. But I think in this trade, this trader could take even more money, because price is going from level to level. If you see that one level is broken, you can expect that price will go to the next level. And here we can clearly see that level 12,883 was broken. So it means that price will go to the next level, which is about 12,807. You can take like twice more profit than it was taken in this trade. The next trader is U3702204, and he made much more trades. He really likes to trade. He makes a lot of trades, like 4 or 5 times more than our previous traders. But as we know from the previous traders, that it's not necessary to make a lot of trades to win the tournament. It's actually enough to make a couple of trades, and you can win tournament if you really know where to open a trade and if you really can wait. Because I think the biggest problem for traders, for most of traders, is the patience. Because trading is similar to fishing. You can't just take a fish from the river every minute. You have to wait, and sometimes you have to wait hours and days to catch a fish. And same in trades. If you want to make really good trade, sometimes we have to wait couple days or a couple of hours to find really nice opportunity to open a trade. And this trader actually makes some scalping, so it means he takes a very small profit, but because he makes a lot of trades, he can take good profit. And the first couple of trades are really nice. The first trades are really done from good levels, but again, it is not enough to know where to open trade. You have to understand how to close it and where to close it. I think this trader can see good entry points, not always, because the last one is not really nice. Actually, you can't open a short trade here. All previous trades were opened quite nicely, and the problem was only to take a profit. The most easy method to understand how to take profit is to understand the character of trend in this day you trade. And in this case, we can see the price in a sideways, which means that you can close all your trades on a level of support, which is here, and you can open your trade on a level of resistance, which is right here. Actually, the short trades were done mostly from the level of resistance, but we can see that they were closed quite far away from the support level. What we can see from this traders trading, that we have 15 traders that ended with profit, but only few of them did not violate the rules because they did not exceed the loss limit, and all others went beyond the daily loss limit. So that's why they lost their accounts. And we can see that only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, actually 6 traders ended this tournament in profit, and they do not violate any rules. So we can say that many of these traders has issues with money management. And I think this is the first you have to start. And if you trade in Wolfix, you can use risk management system to prevent your account going beyond your loss limit. And it's necessary to do, and actually it's first thing to do in every account you start trading. My congratulations to our winners. The winners, we have MK Shigehali. The second place is Otto, because Konovalova Kate lost her account, I think because of daily loss limit. And the third place was taken by trader U3245804. And let's check this trader. This trader makes some profit trading crude oil. Oh, it's really nice trade, because I like when traders really do understand where to open trade and how to close it, because just to open a trade is not enough to succeed. You have to understand how to close it. So this trader, I can say it's the best I have seen among these all trades we checked today. This trade was also not bad. I think it was closed because trader doesn't want to take big risk. So when price reached this level again, the trade was closed automatically. Not every trade successful, but we can see that trader at least has some stop losses. He tried to trade accurately and with a really low risk. So my congratulations to this trader. He did not win, but I like this trading because of low risk, and because usually he understands where to open and where to close trades. I think if this trader adds some patience to his trading, he will succeed much more. I can't say this is precise trade. It was done quite far from the reversal point. So it means it was done quite far from really good level. But anyway, it was closed in profit. And I think this trader traded really with a low risk in this trade. But I think this trader also lacks understanding that you have to trade with really nice risk-reward ratio. I want to repeat it again because it's really important if you want to have advantage on the market. So if you want to make really good money, you have to trade with profit 3 times higher than your risk. I hope during next tournament you will take my advices and you will use risk management, so at least you can stay all distance, all tournament alive. And I hope you will understand that it's not only enough to open a trade, but it's also very important to understand how to close all trades you open. My congratulations to all winners, and I hope it was interesting for you. If you want to discuss some other trades, you can write in comments under this video, and we can discuss some other trades. Best regards to everyone. Hope to see you soon, maybe on the next tournament. Bye bye.